when one of my best friend spilled the beans about her relationship with her boyfriend, that she is going to get married with her boyfriend. So I was very surprised first, uh, like how it can possible, and I didn't know about that. Good afternoon, and how are you doing today?
Yeah, very good afternoon, and I'm doing great. And thank you so much for asking. How about you? How are you doing so far?
Yes, I'm doing fantastic too. So it's been a long time that we connected again, right?
Yes, I was thinking safe, and it's really nice to meet you. So nice to meet you. Today we, connected in very long after very long time. So yeah, I feel jubilant now, and so excited to have this conversation with you.
Yeah,
Right. So
likewise. Can we start with the intro?
okay, yeah, we can. So may I start?
Yes.
Okay, so coming to my introduction, uh, my name is Sweta. I'm a homemaker, mother to two children. And as my education qualification concerned, I have done BCom BEd. Additionally, I'm seated qualified, and I did job as well. I used to teach, but now I am truly enjoy connecting with people and learning new things,
Hmm.
especially English. And yeah, if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are cooking, gardening, and traveling. These are my hobbies. And yeah, additionally, I'm running my YouTube channel by the name of Speak Up Buddy, where I enjoy my conversational video as well as my solo video. That's pretty much about me. Thank you so much.
Oh, that's good to know about you. So I think I missed. Where are you from?
Yeah, I am joining you from Delhi.
Delhi. Oh, okay, okay. So now it's my turn. My name is Tanuja, and I hail from Bhopal city. And about my profession, I am a software engineer in one of the IT company. And along with that, I run a YouTube channel also in my free time. And my interests are I love painting, dancing, and traveling sometime. And yeah,
Mhm.
that's all about me.
Yeah, glad to know about you. And I think you are running your YouTube channel as well, right? So how
Yeah.
is going on all?
To be honest, these days it is not going well, but I'm not bothering too much because I hardly get time to focus on YouTube. But still, I manage my, routine. Yes, every after 2 days or 3 days, I have to upload new videos, and that's it. But I'm not able to,
Mhm.
focus on something new for now, just because of my office schedule, I would say.
Yes. It's really hard for you. So what kind of content do you upload on your channel?
Yeah, it's mostly conversation videos, and yeah, sometimes I make shorts videos as well, but it is very rare when I get free time only. That's it.
Right. Yes. So yeah, like making conversational video, it means like we are giving practice our mouth muscles, and every day practice it works when we practice every single day, and every single day then we can able to speak fluently. Otherwise we start stucking and fumbling. Right. So this is the
Yeah,
more
yeah,
important.
yes, right. When
Okay.
when you don't speak for some days, then we struggle to make even a sentence. So it happens with many people.
Right.
Do you have any
Okay,
specific
so
topic for today?
yeah, we can do one activity I have.
Mm-hmm.
If you give me permission, then I will tell
Yeah,
you.
yeah, we
Okay,
can.
like, hmm, like I would give you, I would give you two idioms and one word. Okay, then you have to use these idioms and vocabulary, and then you have to create small story, right?
Okay, I will try.
Mhm. Okay, so first one is under the weather and bite the bullet, right?
Hmm.
And the word is that determined. Yeah, you can jot down.
Bite the bullet, and the word is determined.
Under the weather, yeah, word is determined.
Okay, so I need to make some kind of a story.
Yeah, small story. Just we
Okay.
can create some sentences, right?
Hmm, hmm, hmm. Uh, yes. So, like I am working at my workplace. So for the few days I was feeling under the weather. So I took a day off to recover myself, and now I am feeling bit better now. Uh, but despite having the problem, and if you are unwell, still we have to work hard for our office work, and we need to bite the bullet uh, to complete our task on time. It doesn't matter whether you are sick or not when you are under someone. And I would say that I am determined person when it comes to work, especially because I am loyal towards my work. So my first priority is always my work, so I always give my 100%.
Oh, nice. I would say you hit the nail on the head, and you did well job. You did a good job. Okay, so now it's my turn, right?
Mhm,
So I also will do the same things, right? So as I'm a homemaker. So yesterday, yeah, yesterday, I was under the weather. But being a homemaker, you know, whether I'm unwell or well, doesn't matter. I have to do my work. I have to bite the bullet, right? And then the very next day, early in the morning, usually I get up at 6 a.m. and then I just rush to prepare my breakfast and lunch for my children and husband. So I completed all those things because being a mother, I'm a very determined towards my work, house chores. That's why at any cost I have to do. I just took some medicine and took some rest, and after then I get to start my work, and then in this way I every day it's my everyday chores, so I have to complete, right?
yeah, good. Yeah, so in this
Okay,
way we can utilize the idioms. Otherwise, like I know a lot of idioms and phrases, but I am not able to use those in my daily conversation
right.
just because it's lack of
Yes,
practice.
yes, that's why. Mm, that's why I thought we should do this kind of activity so that we can recall and remind all those, idioms, and we will be able to use in our day-to-day conversation, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. So, are you ready for next?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, next idiom is spill the bean and on cloud nine.
Okay.
Okay. And the word is surprise.
Surprise.
Right.
Okay. So when one of my best friend spilled the beans about her relationship with her boyfriend, that she is going to get married with her boyfriend. So I was very surprised first, uh, like how it can possible, and I didn't know about that he has a boyfriend and she is gonna marry to the same person. But after all, I was on cloud nine after hearing this good news because she is my best friend, and I know that her choice is so good, and her decision is also good, that she is going to marry that person who are very loyal towards her. Yeah, correct.
Mm-hmm.
That-
Oh, nice. It's a very nice or like a realistic, story you made, like when we have a real story, like
Hmm.
when we connect and try to connect our thoughts with our day-to-day lives, then we can make this kind of story, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now it's my turn.
Yeah,
So I
sure.
would say, yeah, my sister accidentally spilled the bean about my birthday party. And I acted surprised, and I saw them like I don't know anything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but when I went to my birthday party, then I got my all, close friends were there. Then I felt like I was on cloud nine. And then, yeah, it was one of the memorable day for me. And yes, forever, I would say. And I enjoyed a lot with my friends and my family. Yeah.
Oh, it's great. Great. You would say great utilization of this idioms here.
Right, right. Okay. So next idiom is break the ice. Yeah, you can jot down.
Hmm.
Break the ice and get the ball rolling.
Okay.
Have you done? And word is sigh.
Word is
Sigh. SHY.
shy.
Sigh. Yeah, sigh. Right?
Okay. So when I was in a group meeting, so
Mhm.
nobody was speaking at that moment to start the conversation. So I broke the ice and I started the conversation about the discussion that we had with our team, and we started, and I called all the team member to get the ball rolling on our new project, to work on that within a timeline. Uh, but some people are very shy to break the ice because of their shyness they don't start the conversation. But at that moment I removed my shyness and I started the conversation.
Wow. Very nice.
I was
Very
not able
nice
to make.
story you have narrated. No, no. It was great, yeah. You are relating all those story with your, day-to-day life, like you are working somewhere, so you can relate with that and you can, like you are making that story. That's really commendable, right? I would say. Okay, so now I'm going to narrate one story,
Mhm.
right? So on the on the first day of English spoken classes, everyone was little shy, and then the the tutor play one fun game played one fun game to break the ice. And after then we all started laughing. And that was really got the ball rolling for coming next classes, right? So now everyone get to know each other and they start getting all those classes happily, and they all are enjoying that class, right?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay.
Yeah, so we
Okay,
discussed
so
around like six idioms here.
right. And yeah, and also it might be stuck in our brain, because we are trying to make the story and we are thinking about that.
Yeah,
So next time when the situation will come, then we will be able to use these idioms and like words on our speaking, so it will be good for our spoken, right,
yes.
English.
But first you
Yeah.
need to understand the meaning, then only you can make the sentence. So I already knew
Yes, of course.
every idiom
Mm-hmm.
that you mentioned here. So I already knew the meaning, like what is the exact meaning.
Right,
So
right.
because of that, I was
Mm-hmm.
able to make the proper sentence, like proper use of that.
Right. Mm. And if those who don't know about the meaning, then they can ask to their co-partner, co-learner.
Yes.
Right? Then in this way, we are learning or like we are imparting our knowledge. Like if I know about that particular, idioms and phrases, then if you don't know, if you have any doubt, then you can ask. Right? In this
Yeah.
way, you will learn new things, and I will also learn along with you. Right?
Yeah, I liked this idea a lot, to be honest. Like first time someone spoke like this that we can start this activities. So it's a good idea actually to make a proper sentence also, like sentence structure, utilization of our idiom. And if you don't know the meaning, so you
Mm.
can probably ask with your partner. So here we can learn a lot in this way.
Right, right. Yeah, because at the end of the day, we are here to learn. We are here to imparting our knowledge, right?
Yeah, right.
So then you will able to use that because having a knowledge, it's a different thing. Like we all have lots of, vocab and idiom phrases in our mind. But when it comes to use, then we are not able to use. Right. So this is the major problem among the learner. So many people they have the same complaint. Like I have lots of vocab and idioms phrases. Even I jotted down and this notebook, but I am not able to use. Right. So this is the everyone like facing this problem.
Yes.
So that's why I thought we should do something different, some activity, and we can learn through the activity. Whenever we connect with our co-learner, then always we discuss like casual talk, like how there are some we can say some questions, common questions
Common sense.
asked
Yeah.
by the people always, right? About English, how did you learn, and what's your
And
how are
we
you
get
are
bored,
how you
we get bored while listening
yeah
the same question and answer again and again.
same question. Yes, and it looks like we are harping on the same stream. So that's why it would not, work. Because if you want to up level your skill, your language, then we have to try some different activity, and then we will able to up level and upgrade ourselves. Right. So this is there are lots of things like sometimes we can practice or play word games, right? Sometimes we can do this kind of activity, and sometimes there are like a story we can make, like give 2, 3, 5 new words, vocabulary, and we can use that vocab, and we can narrate a story, right?
Yeah.
In this way, we can improve ourselves, right?
Yes, exactly.
It was a long, yeah, it was very nice, and I feel rejuvenated. And yes, we will catch again. So till then, have a great time.
Yeah,
Bye.
same feeling. Have a great day and thank you for your time. Bye bye.